How's it, TOB family? Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. Today's topic is going to be the SKULLCANDY Jib True Wireless Earbuds. Now, this is the first time we're doing anything SKULLCANDY on this channel. This video is a recommended video by a member of this family, so Gabriel, if you're watching, thank you. So guys, sit back, relax, and let's get into it. This is the SKULLCANDY Jib True Wireless Earbuds. It boasts of 22 hours of total battery, and that includes the battery for the earbud and that of the case. Music controls, secure noise isolating fit, auto on connect, IPS4 water resistant rating, premium audio quality, microphone on both earbuds. Nice. Okay, let's open this and see what's in it. So after opening this up, this is what we have. The charge case with the earbuds inside, a micro USB charging cable, micro USB, okay, and different size ear tips. Okay, we're more concerned about this, so let's put that aside. All right, in true SKULLCANDY fashion, it's got the SKULLCANDY logo here, the half skull mask thing, and underneath are some specs that relates to charging the case. Behind is the micro USB charging port. Okay, it's quite rectangular. All right, let's pop this open. Oof, okay, this is nice. Strong magnet. Okay, before we go any further, you know how we do the shake test. Do it. All right, not coming out anyways. That's very good. It's a good sign. And the magnets feel very strong. That's good. I like this. Okay, so far so good. Let's see what they're about. Okay, looks rather thick though. So I'm guessing this is going to be protruding a bit out of your ear. The right earbud, and this is the left. Okay, now the charge plates on these seems to be a bit dug in the earbud. This will present a problem when it comes to charging. I always say this though, earbuds that have this system of putting the charge plates really deep in the earbud presents a problem, because sometimes the charge pins miss the charge plates, and then you think your earbuds are charging but they're not, and sometimes it allows the earbud to stay connected to your phone even when you don't want it to be. That's a problem. Manufacturers should pay attention and try to make sure that the ear plates are actually on the surface of the earbuds, so that it's easy to just connect to the charge plates. Okay, we've got the SKULLCANDY logo right here, and I don't know how close I can bring this, but right here is a SKULLCANDY logo too on the ear tip. All right, same here. Okay, all right, let's do a fit test. Let's see how this fits. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. All right, it's not very comfortable, but at the same time it's not so bad. It feels a bit loose, but I think that is my problem. Maybe I'm using a smaller size ear tip. Maybe if I'm using something bigger, it would really fit to snug. It will fit snugly. Yeah, but I don't know. I don't like the way it's protruding outside my ear right now, because it feels like there's a lot of weight on this side, but it doesn't balance with what's inside your ear. I don't know if I'm making sense. It just feels a bit like it's hung outside your ear and like it's gonna drop. It feels that way, even if it doesn't look that way, but it does feel that way right now. So yeah, that's what it feels like right now. Okay, let's pair them. Yeah. All right, let's pair these, and there's a fast way to do it. It will not present any problems to you. Firstly, you put it back in the earbud like that. Make sure it's connected. Put it back in the earbud. Easy way. Cell phone, Bluetooth. There you go. Now what you do, so take it out of the charge case and give it some time to pair. Now, once this starts flashing red and blue on the main earbud, it's ready to pair. What usually happens is the moment you take it out of the case, they both try to connect to each other. Then it flashes blue and blue on most earbuds. But when they are connected to each other, the main earbud starts flashing the blue and the red. It means it's trying to connect. That is when you pair it to your phone. Okay, now let's scan for this on the cell phone, and it's right here, the Jeep True. And pairing, and that was seconds. Took seconds to pair these. Now these, both of them now are paired to your phone. You're not supposed to have any problems with just hearing from one earbud and the other one is dead, except if there's a problem with it or your pairing is wrong. But if your pairing is wrong, cancel your pairing on the phone, restart your earbuds, and try the process again. Let's test these and see how they sound. Ooh, that's loud. Bring it down a bit. Wow, that is good. Oh, that is very good. All right, okay, let's take it up a bit and see. Woo. Wow. Wow. All right. All right. Wow. All right. All right. Wow. 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 See, I'm really impressed. I get really impressed when you come across earbuds that does not break your pocket when you're trying to buy these, but at the same time, the quality of sound that comes out of something like this is I really get pleased. I get happy, because people just think when it comes to sound quality, you have to go by the name of whatever brand you're buying. Some of these things, just what you're buying is just a name, and the sound quality that comes out of them is not so impressive. Granted, there's some that are really good, but there are a lot that are just trash. Really, this is impressive. For the price tag of this is impressive. It is very clear, quite crisp, very clear. The bass, for me, it's a bit too heavy for me. For others might be good, but for me it's a little bit too heavy. I love the fact that when you take the volume all the way up, there's no distortion. Some earbuds, the moment you take the volume a little bit just above the medium level, starts getting a bit, you start hearing the distortion in this. But this one stays the same. There's no distortion with this. I am impressed by that. I'm also impressed by the fact that the bass is a bit heavy, but doesn't drown out the other sounds. It doesn't. There's some earbuds you listen to, the bass just takes over. The only way you can actually hear something or hear the only way you hear the other sounds of the song is if you take down the volume very low. So the bass is not so heavy and it's not drowning everything else. But this is clear. Everything is very distinct. The highs and the mids, everything is perfect. Okay, let's not say perfect. Let's not say perfect, but very good. Very good. and I am impressed. If not for anything, the sound production of this, very, very, very good. I am impressed by this, by the sound quality. This is a go, guys. Don't sleep on this. This is a go. Let's test the controls on these, see how they work. Wow, for the price tag, these are very impressive. Very, very impressive. Wow, this is the first time I'm actually using a SKULLCANDY product. I've seen it in the world, but this, I'm really impressed by, especially for the price tag. The sound production is really, really good. Wow, guys, don't sleep on this, okay? This is really, really cool. All right, let's test the controls and see if everything works perfectly. We're not gonna test every single control that has to do with this. We'll just test the essentials. Let's test the controls in this. Now to pause and play, you press once. Press once on either earbud to pause and play. Now, to take up the volume on the right earbud, twice on the right earbud to increase the volume. Twice on the right earbud will increase the volume. And twice on the left earbud will reduce the volume. Good. Now, for us to skip to the next track, or track forwarding, we long press the right earbud for 2 seconds. Long press the right earbud for 2 seconds. We'll take it to the next track. And long pressing the left earbud for 2 seconds will take it to the previous track. Long pressing 2 seconds on the left earbud will take it to the previous track. Now, like I said, the other controls attached to this, if you want to test them out, get the earbud, look through the manuals, and you can try them out. But these are the ones we're going to test for this video. This is really cool, really, really cool. I'm very impressed, especially for the price tag of this. This is cool, guys. Don't sleep on this one. Do not sleep on this. I'm going to use this for a while, and then I will tell you what my observations are. So stay tuned. Now, after using this for some time, these are my observations, and I wrote a note. Now, call quality on this was great. Considering the price tag, it was really, really good. It was surprisingly clear. You could hear the person on the other end. There was no interference in the call. It's very, very clear. It was very, very good. I did not expect that, especially for the price tag. There was very little noise coming in, very little. I was very impressed. Very, very good. I'll give it a strong 6 out of 10. Very good. Now, battery power on this was 6 hours from the earbuds and 12 hours from the charge case. Yes, I know the manual says you get 22 hours from the charge case as a total, but what you get from the charge case is 12 hours and 6 hours from the earbuds. So as a total, you get 18 hours. Now, connectivity at 10 meters was really stable. There were no drop-offs, cut-offs, no interference, nothing. It was very stable. I know there's a lot of things I'm forgetting right now to mention, but I'm really impressed by these. If there's any questions you have, ask me in the comment section and I'll respond. Now, thank you for watching the video up till the end. Remember to like the video, share them across your social media platforms. If you're watching for the first time, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment in the comment section. I really want to know what you think about this video. If there's anything you'd like to see on this channel, leave it in the comment section or send me an email. Till next time, take care.